Okay guys, welcome back. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make a simple chicken wing sauce. This can be done in not less than 20 minutes. So guys, stay tuned. To begin, we'll be showing you the ingredients we'll be using for the recipe. So currently now we have chicken wings, green bell pepper, some fresh tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, red onions. I have a leftover white onion, so I'll be using the white onions. And for seasoning, we have salt, white pepper, black pepper, Cameroon pepper, and some seasoning cube. We also have our vegetable oil. We have corn flour for thickening. You can use any flour that you have. This sauce can be paired with rice, and for the rice, I'll be using basmati rice. Alright, let's just wash the rice. We'll wash it till the water runs clear. Since this is basmati, I will not be parboiling the rice. I will just cook it straight. So let's wash it. As you can see, the water is clear. So transfer it to the pot, add some water. Alright, let's put this on fire, add some salt, cover and allow to boil. So during the course of boiling, you might have to top water over and over again, so till you get the softness you are looking for. Okay guys, this is the chicken wings that I'll be using, so let's prep it for cooking. Adding 1 minced garlic, adding 1 seasoning cube, some white pepper, black pepper, Cameroon pepper, and salt. Add a little bit of water. Now we can transfer this to the gas. So let's prep the vegetables. We'll cut into chunks. Set this aside. Cut this into large chunks. Just use your hand and separate this. So let's mince the second garlic. Okay, let's set this aside. Alright, the rice is cooked. I always boil my rice with excess water so I can sieve it out, drain it, return back to the pot. Like that, it won't get to stick together at the bottom and all that. So let's take this out. Okay, the pot is dry, so let's return the rice back to the pot. We'll cover and allow to heat up for like 1 minute. Any excess water is dried, so let's bring this down and put our seasoned chicken, cover and allow to cook. Alright guys, this has been cooking for 10 minutes. and it's done. So let me transfer this to a bigger pot. So I'll be transferring this to my wok. So I'll be adding the second garlic. Season with some white pepper, black pepper, and Cameroon pepper. Because I want this to have more sauce, I'll be adding a bit more water to it. I'll add water to the corn flour. Add a little bit. You add this based on how thick you want it to be. I'll be adding one more seasoning cube. You can see this has thickened up. Next, I add my tomatoes and my onions. Just add a dash of vegetable oil. Cover and allow to cook for 1 minute. Lastly, I add my green pepper, season with some more Cameroon pepper. And we are done. Chicken wing sauce is done.